All right. So, Zach, I think this is a unique situation where we're both dads and we kind of understand this because, like you said, kids, whenever kids go back to school, something's going around.
Something's going around, or if they're in daycare all year, something's going around. And whatever it is, it's coming home. You can better bet and believe that. All right, temperatures outside. It's beautiful weather here across the area. True taste of fall. Coolest weather we've seen since you got to go back into the springtime. And we've had some decent little late summer cool downs at times. In August, we had stretches of 80s, maybe even a day or two with the help of some clouds and some showers. Some areas were in the 70s. But this is one of our coolest mornings since early May, where we've got 40s mixed around northwest Arkansas, and they're mixed around our far eastern areas. Widespread 50s outside of that, low to mid 50s. So again, we promised you a cool weekend. Yesterday, gorgeous sunshine, 70s across the area with very dry air in place, a northeast breeze, making it feel comfortable, especially in the shade yesterday. A lot of people watching football on the back porch or just hanging out with the family. We're back in the 70s again today, northwest Arkansas. So not much change. The real big difference here is we may be a degree or two warmer in some spots, but outside of that, the dry air is still in place. The big difference is we just don't have as strong of a northeast breeze. Northeast wind today really only about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but still keeping the dry air in place. We've got 70s up to a few low 80s in our warmest spots of the River Valley. I think our warmest spots are up to 80, maybe 81, but most of 5 country going to be coming in the 70s. Another cool night, Monday morning. Going to try to get more areas into the 40s maybe. I think we'll likely still have some 50s mixed around. And then once again, mostly some 50s in the River Valley with a few upper 40s mixed in some spots. We're starting that warming trend as we go into the work week. Air mass is going to start to modify a little bit more. We'll see more areas trying to scoot into those lower 80s. Still, we'll likely have some of our coolest spots in the upper 70s. So not bad. Humidity still remains low as we go through Monday. Tuesday, the air won't be as dry, but not really an issue. I think the moisture does increase by Wednesday and Thursday. There will be a tropical disturbance likely moving through southeast Arkansas on its way up towards Tennessee. We may get an isolated shower to try to move in a few spots. It'd be our far eastern, southeastern zone, Scott, Logan, Johnson counties. You guys would have the best chance, and you could be on the very edge of it. Outside of that, looking pretty dry. If we don't get any rain this week, our next best chance may be holding off until sometime around Sunday, so maybe a week from now, and temperature is going to be trending up. Our next cool down, similar to today, may be coming not next weekend, but the weekend after. So again, September has got a lot of warm days in it and is a transition month for sure. But the first 7 days of September have been pretty nice for us. Overall comfortable with this weekend being quite the treat.
Absolutely. It makes you think that it makes sense that we have pumpkin spice and all
already
that
in place because
I mean,
you get a weekend like this and they're not selling pumpkin spice yet, they've missed the boat.